So, let's start. Yung first option is para to sa mga may pro account. Go to the share button, click on the template link, and click this create template link. So, itong link na to ang gagamitin at ilalagay mo sa PDF mo at yung PDF na yun ang ilalagay mo sa selling sites. I will show you that later in this video. Itong second option is for those who are using a free Canva account. Go to the share button, go to access level, and select anyone with the link. And click mo tong can view. Then click the copy link. So let's test this second option. So I have a free account and gamit yung link, ito yung magiging itsura niya. I would recommend if gagamitin mo itong second option, need mo talagang ilagay step by step para sa buyer mo na alam kung ano ang gagawin niya. First, need niyang mag-login sa Canva account niya kahit free. Then, click this file button. Then, click the make a copy. Then, click the button continue editing. And there you go. Anyone can edit your design na hindi nagagalaw yung original design mo. So next, ito yung PDF na paglalagyan mo ng template link. Sample ko lang to, pero if gusto mo tong template na to, just comment down yes and I will share this. So first part niya is ganito. Thank you for your purchase. Make it more genuine and also emphasize yung customer service mo na if may need sila or questions, they are free to contact you. Something like that. Kasi I feel like mas maganda yung pagbungad pa lang nila, ma-feel nila yung care mo for them, not just on the money na nilabas nila, di ba? I mean, for me, sa experience ko, sobrang effective nito. So, to add a template link, click mo yung button, then three dots, and click the link and paste mo yung template link mo. Also, make sure na may sign or word, etc. kayo na ilalagay para malaman nila na need nila i-click yung button para hindi lang siya for design purposes. Then, I recommend na maglagay kayo ng ganito. Like what I said, customer service. And if may problem sa product nyo, wag agad sila mag-leave ng bad review. Message mo na sila sa inyo to fix everything, especially if you're selling on Etsy. So once you're all set, click on the share button, click on the PDF standard, and download. Once ma-download mo na, go to Etsy or any selling sites. Then, put your file here. And that's it. I also have step-by-step tutorial on how I sell my digital products on Etsy. So, I'll drop the link in the comment section if you want to check it out. So, want more Canva tips and hacks?